Hey guys, we're inside of Karl Kustoms. Myself, Clint, and Jason, we wanted to talk about this 2000 regular cab truck that we've had here in the shop that we've done quite a bit to. We did an engine and transmission swap. Once it got a little more power, we did a full disc brake upgrade. And then we also got our hands on the interior. We upgraded that as well. We put the LS364 450 horse engine in here. Now this is the second or third one we've done here in the shop. Can you talk a little bit about what that engine is and how it went in there?
It's a new engine that GM came out with, I believe, last fall. It's 450 horse to the flywheel that we installed in this car. It's designed to go in the older vehicles that have a 1x crank sensor and a 24-tooth reluctor wheel for the crank sensor to work with the stock ECUs. So he did ask for an upgrade as far as a front drive system. So we put one of the Holley mid-mount LS kits on it and a Holley intake to go on top with the rectangle port heads, which is another challenge. As you can see, we left the ECU harness, from the stock truck all in there. Everything works with the stock ECU for the gauges. We also installed a new transmission, which is a 4L70E. Disc brakes are upgraded to Willwood. Headers in Y-pipe with high flow cats, so it's emissions legal. Should be fun to drive.
I'd like to thank Jason for taking the time to talk to us about this engine and install in this truck. We do sell Chevrolet Performance crate engines and powertrain right here at Karl Kustoms, and we also install. So if you have any questions, head on over to karlkustoms.com or give our team a call. We'd be more than happy to help you out.